be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now just wanted to go ahead and get right into this one. This is, boom, you can see it there, Crocs Pollux. Alright, and this is the Crocs Salea Bembry. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Alright, these are the Salea Bembry Pollux Clog, and you can see that front. I got this particular pair in a size 13. Alright, got this one in a 13, and this is the black colorway. Alright, so let's go ahead and get directly into these. And I just wanted to talk about these and the style of shoes, alright? But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kinda cool. Kinda cool. Left shoe first, baby. All right, now it's not very much to see here. It's not going to be a whole bunch of details, but these are the Crocs Salea Bembry. However, I'm saying that I'm probably destroying that. Hopefully not. But Salea Bembry Crocs. All right, so it's a special kind of Crocs. And Salea Bembry is like a designer. They work on different kinds of shoes. This is a collaboration between them and Crocs. I did a quick look at the previous pair that I got, which is in this colorway. Alright. But the problem was I got this one in a size 14 because I had never owned Crocs before. So I didn't know what size that I was supposed to get, but I think these are still pretty cool. They do fit a little big, this size 14. It does fit a little big, but I don't think it fits too big, like enough for me to have to send them back because they're too big. But they are slightly big. Whereas this 13, I feel like is the better choice for me. I didn't realize that with Crocs I would have to go down. Alright, and I also feel like the black you can wear more, you know, with anything because it's black and it goes with everything. Black goes with everything. I do like the slighter charcoal colors there, slight hits of charcoal there. Alright, and what I also like about Crocs, being that I'm kind of a new Croc wearer, is that they have straps on the back. And as it relates to this kind of shoe, I compare these to, say, slides. And while I do own a few pair of slides, I have never really liked how slides feel. Like, they always feel like they're about to come off your foot, at least my foot. And also what I have on today, let me bring these out, because this is the direct comparison to this shoe, is this, the Yeezy Foam Runner. And ever since I got this shoe, which I used to be a guy that'd be like, I'm never gonna wear Crocs or anything like that, but I got these and I tried them out, and man, these are the perfect, put these on, I need to put something on. I'm not really trying to think about the wall of shoes behind my head. I just need to grab something real quick so I can get out the door. This kind of shoe is perfect for that. I just need to grab something and go. I don't need to, I got on this outfit. Let me look at the millions of pairs of shoes behind my head or the other pairs of shoes on the back of my bedroom. I just need to throw on something real quick so I can get out the door. I need to run to the store. I need to do all that, slight bars. But that's what these are perfect for. And ever since I got these, I've been looking around like maybe Crocs aren't so bad. But I didn't like the way that normal Crocs looked. I still think they look weird. And I know. But I think these look better than the normal Crocs. And they're really comfortable too. And then I tried this pair out. And the comfort level on between these shoes is the same. The comfort, nice cushioning in there. Feet feel good. These are about the same. Actually, size-wise too. This is also a 14, and these also are slightly big, but they're comfortable though. So the same. This is the same. I should have known that if I got these and these are slightly big in the 14, that a 13 would have been. That's on me. I should have thought about that. But I would say if you're thinking about for sizing on these, I would say go down from whatever normal size you wear. Go down a size. And it'll be the most comfortable fit. But this kind of shoe is perfect for a quick run to the store. Let me get the Yeezys out of here. And I like that they have the strap on the back to hold your foot in place. And then on the inside there, if you all can see that, it's pretty much the same. Nice leather feeling there. On the back side, smooth too. And then on the inside, you have the Crocs and Saleha Bembury. The cushion is great. I know, like, my brother works in the healthcare medical industry, and he wears Crocs sometimes with his scrubs, and I know people do that. But I also know that a lot of kids these days like to wear Crocs. So I always just didn't get it. I was like, what the heck? Why are these shoes so popular? They're ugly, but I like this particular style of Crocs. I like the Saleha Bembury Crocs. I don't necessarily know if I'm about to be down with the regular Crocs, but I like the way that these look, and that's why I jumped on them. I just like the different design of these, the different style of these. But yeah, man, I would highly recommend them, especially if you're somebody like me who feels a little uncomfortable. These aren't that, I mean, these LeBron slides. I have some Adidas slides. I had the Yeezy slides too, but I returned. No, I gave them to my brother. I sent them to my brother. They just, I don't know, I don't think I like slides. I think that's what it is. I don't think I like slides as much. They're like house shoes to me. If I get slides, I just wear them around the house. I don't really particularly go anywhere in them. But these, I think these are better. I think these may be the new replacement for slides for me. I like the way that these feel. I like that if I wear them, they're not gonna slide off my foot. They're not gonna feel like my foot's sliding around and going back and forth, and I need to adjust them. I just like the way that these look. I like that a lot. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that I do have the black pair, and I think these are nice, man. You can still find them in some places. I know Kith still has this pair and a few bigger sizes. So if you were interested in this particular pair, you can get them. I've seen these on sneakers and stuff. So if you were looking at them, look around, you'll be able to find you a pair. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.